Nanoindentation, at its foundation, is probing the surface of a material system, trying to understand its response and how it accommodates stress. And during indentation, actually, materials can accommodate stress in a lot of different ways. They can accommodate it through plasticity, through elastic deformation, but also through fracturing. All of these failure mechanisms or deformation mechanisms in these material systems are captured by the nanoindenter. Nanoindentation has really grown out of the research and development labs and also out of universities. And more recently, it has been seen a lot of adoption in industry settings themselves. This is primarily because of the workflows that we have integrated into the systems, the ease of use that we've put into the systems, and because it has so many applications in different industry settings to really improve productization and optimization of processing. So the most recent fields that have grown into this are really around your high-tech industries. And those are frequently considered in semiconductor. For semiconductor specifically, we're looking at the mechanical properties of thin films and adhesion analysis for optimization improvement of buffer layers. What separates us is our core technology. For the nanoindenters, our core technology uses an electromagnetic actuation and a 3 parallel plate capacitor for measuring displacement. Both of these combined together allow us to optimize the measurement of both load and also displacement. These are fundamental measurements for nanoindentation. The great thing about KLA Instruments is our support network. We support large customers from semiconductor fabs all the way down to their benchtop customers in universities. Universities, they can expect the distribution networks. They can expect the service and timely response of our service personnel when they have an issue. But not only are we looking at service issues, we're also looking at application support. KLA is one of the most advanced technology companies out there. We are supporting semiconductor customers down to measure length scales that have never been considered previously. The software for the KLA nanoindenters is truly the best software on the market. It actually empowers users to be able to script novel test recipes and novel experiments. Our users in the InView method editor are able to go in there, make their own loading algorithms. They're able to script their own test protocols so that they can mimic the responses, they can mimic the stresses and the types of processes that occur on their samples and their materials, mimic that in a controlled lab environment so that they can improve them and optimize those materials. Getting a product demo is as easy as contact the sales team and working with our application engineers to understand what your applications are so that we can provide you with the types of demos that are going to be most interesting so that you can make product decisions and so that you can move forward quickly in integrating this type of measurement analysis into your own labs.